Every day this a internet though. When not today or tomorrow. Every month they send bill same way. Robbery with aggravation in a man. Robbery.
I was just going to post a video on TikTok now, you know. It would have 300 likes by now. How much 3 is gone? I cannot bother with that cave life here, you know.
Fix your face. Look internet down here talk about cave life.
Daddy, my game is. My man trying to match up. No, man, live on the edge. You can get the Wi-Fi man, please. Daddy, we call the Wi-Fi man and him did not come in to Friday. Jacob, you not even have any battery into your phone, useless. But you do on the Wi-Fi in your phone.
Alright. But we can't really live stuff with you still. You know what we are gonna do? We are gonna go back in our old time days when there was no internet. That's all we have to do. We could go to the park and play some games. Go to the park and play some games.
No, Daddy, don't make him get back the Wi-Fi.
It's fun, man. A Wi-Fi alone. Come here. When you come, we could go have some fun like back in the days. Days when no internet, just have some fun. Right?
So, Daddy, what we're going to do? Start talking to ourselves like back in the days in the Bible? I'm back in the day, them. Daddy, we don't want to go on Peppa Pig.
Stop thinking about Peppa Pig. When you come, we could have some fun, man, like back in the days. When you come, man. Take one. Having fun?
We don't want to go on and drink on the juice.
Take one. Let me push him down. Let me push him again. Jenna, what are you doing?
Daddy, at least I have to put on some data on my phone to at least send one emoji. Daddy, I can't pop him to the group.
What do you mean I can't? You're flat now. You're flat now. Come have some. Jenna, come and push him. Come and push your brother, man. Come and push your little brother. Have some fun, man. You just stuck up in the house, stuck up in this internet.
Daddy, this is boring.
You see it? Yeah, man, I saw enough for yeah, you see it? Watch it. I saw enough for have fun. Watch it. I saw enough for have fun. See, I'm glad everybody enjoy themselves, you know. You want a turn now. Alright. Give him a turn. Alright. You're true. Double six.
Daddy, we're learning them game.
You know, load the game. Trying to lock up in the house too much. Load the game this. It's a Jamaican roots game we play when we are youth and grow up. I got load the game. Come, you're true again. Double six. Move your six. Double six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here, so? Yes. And you can move. No, you can't move it double this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That black, you can't move that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're not a true. You have to go through. Oh, but you could have banned. Oh, ban one of them. You're true again. No, this ban already. You're true again. You're true. Ah, you're lucky, boy. You're lucky. Ah, my true. Jenna, you don't know them game, yeah? You don't know them game, yeah? Them game we play when we are youth. Come lucky now. Lose car when I die, jump off the board.
Me too.
can't believe so you not enjoy whole fashion way. And look how me say you get way. Eh? Come on, man. Stop telling about boring, man. Me see you get way, man. What are this? You wanna come out to come sit down for? You not gonna be there for the king?
I didn't take my phone and run off all the data.
Jenna, go put on your phone and go be the king.
Wi-Fi!